welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can all see, we have this image that we edited some few days ago. We had the image starting off with, we actually did our frequency separation. Let's take it. This was after we cropped it to the Instagram size and all of that. So yeah, we did our frequency separation and touch and burn, and I think we did a little bit with the eyes, as you can see. So when we got here, the image was looking so boring, so I decided to, why not add some overlays to it. So as you can see, we did with some overlays and with a little bit of color grading. So with this tutorial, I'll just take you through how I went about with this process. So let's just start off by actually duplicating this. Yes, so let's duplicate it, and I think we can consolidate all the tabs. All right, so first and foremost, let's do away with all these layers, leaving that of the frequency separation and the dodge and burn and the T-tighten layers on. We're just solely looking at the overlays, adding overlays to this image. So let's take off. Let's just group this one and I think turn it off. Yeah. So this is how boring the image was. As I said, we've already done our frequency separation on this image. So moving forward, I would like to flatten all of this. Let's allow the computer to do it then. All right, so we'll duplicate this and go to, we actually want to separate the subject from the background. So we're going to take this to the object selection to, with with Photoshop, that's made it more easier to just pick out the subject from that of the background. So we are going to select subject from here on the topmost layer. So we're going to select the subject out of the background. My system is not all that fast, so we'll be having some lags with it here. So let's wait for it to do its thing, and so afterwards it's going to create a layer mask, a black layer mask, where the object, the lady over here, very pretty lady, should be taken out of the background. So we have our image selected. Photoshop did it best to select the image out of the background. So yes, what we're going to do after selecting the image, we're going to come here and add a layer mask to it. So we have this, as you can see, we have this. So basically, Photoshop did an awesome job with separating that of the subject from the background. All right, so we're going to come here. And copy our overlay I'm going to fast forward this in order not to waste your time, you know. Having a lot of lags and a lot of things going on in my background, so actually yeah, let's go back here and control V to paste our overlay. So let's vein and readjust to make it fit exactly. So as you can see, so first of when you download this from the internet, you have your blend mode on normal. So what you're going to do after pasting it, after dragging your overlay onto the image, make sure that the overlay is behind the layer max layer. I don't know whether you get what I'm saying. Like, it shouldn't be here, okay? It should just be in between the background layer and that of the maxed out layer. So you have it here, and you make sure you change the blending mode to that of screen. You just play along, just the one that fits most. I think overlay was the best for me, and yeah, you see how the image got transformed from here to this. You can see how nice this image has become. So with this, when you look here, I decided to add some kind of, you know, smoke effect to it, which we'll just copy from here. I don't want to stress you out. If I'm able to remember, I will just drop the link to where I downloaded these overlays from. So you just check out in my description, in the comment in the description column below. So I will paste this here too, just to create this you know, light rays effect, and I think I'll just place it in front and increase the opacity a little bit. Yeah, so all right, so for this image, I think that will be all. Before, after. So thank you for watching this video. Catch you next time on this YouTube channel.